Welcome to this video where we will learn about zooming in, or magnifying a screen on the Chromebook. Full screen magnifier is typically used to enlarge a portion of the screen for easier reading, or to reduce screen clutter, helping students who are easily distracted focus on a specific task. It can also be useful for students who experience a visual impairment. A helpful feature you can find in Chromebooks is magnification. You can magnify an entire page, or use the dock magnifier to just highlight the screen at the top of the page. Magnification may make the page easier for some users to read. It can be a helpful feature for those who may experience visual impairments or, really for anyone who wants the page they are viewing magnified. Now that you have had a chance to see what the page and dock magnifier looks like, let's walk through the steps to turn the feature on and off. To start, open the Chrome browser on your Chromebook, click the three vertical dots in the right-hand corner of the screen, often referred to as the snowman. Find Settings at the bottom and click on it. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down to Accessibility, then Manage Accessibility Features in the center of the screen. Scroll down until you find Enable Full Screen Magnifier. Click the toggle switch to the right to turn the magnifier on. Once it has been activated, you have some other options to choose from as far as how the user moves around the page using the mouse, which we will explore next. To deactivate the feature, click the toggle switch again. Now that we have found the magnifier feature, let's take a look at the other options a user has to customize the feature for their individual needs. The Move Screen Continuously as Mouse Moves does just that. As the cursor moves around, the page moves as well. The Move Screen Keeping Mouse at Center of Screen keeps the mouse cursor in the middle of the page. As you move the mouse, the screen will move. The Move Screen as Mouse Touches Edges of Screen option only moves the page the user is viewing when the cursor is at the edge, top, or bottom of the screen. There is also a full screen zoom option. This allows the user to magnify the screen from 2 to 20 times. A word of caution with this feature: if the screen is magnified too large, it can be difficult to read and you will need to use Ctrl+Alt+ brightness in order to zoom the screen back out. Finally, there is an option that allows the user to only enable the magnifier opening a dock at the top of the screen. This may be a nice way to help isolate what the user sees as they move around the page, versus seeing the entire screen when moving the mouse cursor. To turn this feature on, the user clicks the toggle button on the right-hand side. Once this feature is turned on, the page the user is on will remain static and unchanged, while movement around the page with the cursor is happening, within dock magnification at the top. Again, this feature can also be magnified further up to 20 times, however, it can make the print a bit more difficult to read, as you can see as I increase the size. The nice thing about this feature is the user does not have to use the Ctrl+Alt feature to minimize the size. It can be done on the normal page through the drop-down menu, as you can see here.